Hi, I'm Kristen Garlitz with APS EdTech. Today's quick tip is about how to use voice typing inside of a Google document. Voice typing is an easy way for students, staff, anybody really, to write out whatever it is you're going to say on a Google Doc. All you do to turn it on is go to Tools, go down to Voice Typing. You can move this little box wherever it is so that it'll be out of your way. You can change the language. It is set to English US automatically, but it does Spanish, French, Portuguese, a variety of different languages. Then when you're ready, click the microphone to start, and it will start picking up what you're saying. Click the microphone to stop when you are done. Just like using this on your phone, you can use words like period, comma, question mark, space, or new paragraph in order to do those actions. Be careful as you type, though. Some words that are less common, such as names, may not be picked up as normal, and you will need to go back and do some editing after you're done. Kristen Garlitz, new paragraph. October 17th, 2021, new paragraph. English essay, new paragraph. Did you know that voice typing is an easy way for students and staff to complete assignments on a Google Doc? In this essay, I will talk about all the ways that voice typing can improve our lives, period. You can see here that it misspelled my name because these are not common words, and so then you can go back and change the spelling of them afterwards. It is easier to indent afterwards using the tab button than to say the word indent while typing. Two more quick tips for using voice typing. You can assign students a worksheet in a Google Doc with boxes that are fillable. All your student needs to do is click inside the box to make sure that their typing goes in the right spot. You can also use Control-Shift-S to open up the voice typing, and it begins typing almost immediately, period. So that keyboard shortcut can make things faster for your students, period. So those are APS's quick tips on how to use Google Voice Typing. It works really well in Docs. There is an option to do speaker notes in slides, but our workaround is to do everything in Docs and then copy and paste it over to your slides or Sheets or whatever tool you're using. Thanks, and make sure you subscribe to the APS EdTech's YouTube channel.